I'm Dominie Brazil. We are at the ANA Inspiration golf event, and this is my collection of handbags. I came up with this idea for a clear handbag with an interchangeable liner, and it is regulation compliant. And the fun thing about our bags is that when you buy the bag, it comes with a liner of your choice, and then you can buy additional liners in I think 37 different colors, so you can change it out to complement different outfits. We are the official ANA Inspirational handbag. So I have here one of the bags. This has a interchangeable liner. You unsnap the liner, fold it down into the bottom of your bag, and put all your things on top. Once you go through security, snap the liner back into place, put your things inside, and you're restoring your privacy. I come from a background of over 25 years doing costumes for film and television, so this is a natural transition for me to design handbags.